everyone, this is Chitrita. Welcome back to my channel. And for the new people here, this is Chitrita. Welcome to my channel. So I have came up with a new video, and today's video is going to be super exciting cause as you have read from the title, it's a mini ColourPop haul. Yeah, it's my first international haul. I'll be telling you guys everything from international shipping, customs, especially in the current situation of 2021. What are the customs? When to place an order, when are the sales going on, when you are going to get a super shatter on the prices like $14 to $7 and everything, and it's going to be super exciting. So make sure you stay till the end of the video. First of all, let me tell you guys, I'm really sorry I don't have the outer packaging box like the one it came in. It was pink in color and it was written made in LA, which is Los Angeles, but I surely love the things, and let me show you guys those things. It's super cute. I'll show you the first billing thing. It was like this, which had all the details here with the total price mentioned at the end, which is $23. And then we also have these thank you card which says thank you, which is also super cute. As you all know, ColourPop brand itself is super cute. It's also written ColourPop here. It's so cute. I'm literally obsessed with the palettes I have got. You will be too obsessed with them. As you can see, it's my pleasure palette, which is more or less based on purple colors, and this one is based on nude and yellow colors. This one is a little ray of sunshine. Both are totally awesome and I am just obsessed with them. So firstly, let me show you guys this one. It's totally super cute and you are also going to be obsessed with them. Just look at the pigmentation of these shades. Isn't it super cute? The first time I saw them, I was like, I can stare at you guys for the whole day. It's more or less with some dark and light yellow shades, and this are the upper three pans are super perfect for blending all the colors, any kind of shades, and the below ones are perfect for some nude looks. And it's totally my favorite. Moving on to the next one, which is also my favorite. It's my pleasure, and the inner thing is going to make you feel obsessed with it.
1 hour later.
It's totally super cute. Literally see them. Aren't they super pigmented? The best thing about the ColourPop is it's really cheap, it's really affordable, and their pigmentations are always on heights. These shimmery colors, the below matte ones are literally my favorite. I can't tell you guys, I'm really so satisfied with them, and the price I got these two in are, you guys are going to be shocked. So I'll place the order on 4th of Feb. So the Valentine's Day sale was going on, and you'll be literally shocked to hear the price I got this in. It's usually $14 each, but I got this at $7 each. Though all the 9-pan color palettes were not there in the sale section, but I guess there were 4. These two, the sage green color one and another one I don't remember. These 4 were there in the 9-pan palette section and also in the cell section. So I got this too. Almost the sale began on 25th of January and it was till the 14th of Feb. So I'll place an order on 4th of Feb and I got them on 8th of March, which is really fast, within 1 month. As you know, we always keep a count of 30 days while placing an order for some international thing, but more or less it takes 1.5 months to 2 months to receive the products. But luckily I got them within a month, and the prices, I know you guys are already shocked to hear, it was $14 usually and I got them in $7, which is really, the prices shattered during that time. So make sure, wait for the Valentine's Day sale. any brand, they shatter their prices literally to half during that Valentine's Day period. So I placed an order on 4th, got it by 8th, and let me tell you, international shipping and their customs, especially in 2021. So my situation was, very luckily, I didn't have to pay any customs, not a penny even, which I was really tensed about. And also the shipping, which was $9.99. Yeah, it's higher, but that's the bare minimum you have to pay for anything which is going to travel overseas and come to you, which is totally traveling from one continent to other. So it's really going to be high, but if you want them, you have to pay this. Also, if you place an order above $45, you don't have to pay the shipping charges. That's a different story. But luckily, I didn't have to pay a single penny for customs. I saw a video of a YouTuber. She also made a video on ColourPop haul. She received her products recently in February. She placed an order for, her haul was really big and it was of $60. Then also she didn't have to pay any customs, as she told. So according to me, currently in 2021, you are not being charged any type of customs. So if you want to place an order, make sure you place them fast. So that was my scenario. I didn't have to pay any custom, which was very lucky. But if you are searching for ColourPop palettes on Instagram, there are many accounts which import them and sell to you, but they charge you each palette for 2200 and something like that. But I know a page which is International Makeup. It's quite famous for international products and all. They sell it on 1650, whereas I got both the palettes within 1200, which is $14, because the prices were shattered to half. Leaving that aside, 2200, 1650 for a palette which you can get in 1200. So it's your loss. So it's better to import them. But I was really tensed about the customs, which luckily I didn't have to pay. But I'll tell you, you should go for buying it yourself from the official website than to buy from the Instagram stores, because they charge you a really high price. Literally 800 extra, you can't pay just that casually. So that was my scenario. If you want to place an order and want to avoid the customs, you make sure you place an order now. Also, it's a point that in 2021 scenario, whoever is placing an order, they aren't being charged any type of customs. So that is literally a boon to us. So that was my case, and I'm literally obsessed with them. I can look at them for the whole day and they are literally my favorite. So that was the video for today. So I'll be coming up with a new video next week on Saturday or Sunday. Also, let me know in the comment section which one is your favorite, the It's Me Pleasure one or the Little Ray of Sunshine, that's the yellow one, and the previous one was the purple one. Also, tell me in the comment section if you want a video on how to open the official website, how to put your details, how to place an order, or how to purchase it from a international website and everything. I'll link the ColourPop official website in the description box. Let me know how you like the video, and also please subscribe to my channel and hit that like button and also that notification icon, so that whenever I post a video you get to know. And also subscribe to my channel please, and bye for today.